Hey, my name is James Mason with the Facebook group Transparent Traders. In this video, I have 2 penny stocks to watch over the next few days. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit that subscribe button to continue to receive content like this in the future, or anything else we have to offer. So let's get into it. Alright, for this first ticker, this is ticker SID. So looking back over the 1 year, 1 day chart, you can see how it performed. And right here you can see this bullish run, and then it dipped, and here we are again. So the reason why I am bullish on this one is obviously the momentum behind it with this massive green candlestick right here. The MACD is now starting to push up, and the RSI is obviously going to follow. So this has a lot of bullish momentum behind this ticker. And if you look back here, it hit a high of $4.60. Now it doesn't have to hit that, but currently it's at $4.06. I can foresee this going up at least a little bit more. So obviously things are going to depend on the market, and it could potentially create a new high. It just depends on so many different variables that are honestly unpredictable. But tomorrow, I would look for this thing to kind of pull back, and looking at the Bollinger Bands, if it was actually a red day, I would actually buy in when the candlestick came down and hit that top Bollinger Band. That is when I would personally buy. And then I would just ride it up. And when I had the amount of profit that I wanted, that's when I would sell. So again, this is ticker SID. For the second ticker, this is ticker JMU. So let's back out a second. Here you can see just this massive downtrend, and then it just kind of trades sideways forever. And back here, we start having some momentum up, and then it goes sideways again, and another gap up. Now, the reason why I am bullish on this one is because complete reversal on the MACD right here. RSI will follow that. Now, with this daily candlestick, yes, it is red, but it's red because it jumped from right here to up here. So people are going to take those profits. Now, with that being said, you can see where this came all the way down here and actually got rejected off this middle Bollinger Band, and people bought this up. This is a very bullish candlestick right here. And it ended up closing, let's see, here you can see this better. It ended up closing right there on that Bollinger Band line. So that right there tells me that there's a good chance this will continue up, at least in the short term. And that is what I would look for to ride this thing up and hopefully pull down profits over the next few days. Again, this is ticker JMU. So watch these 2 stocks, see how they perform, and I hope this helps you guys out, and I will see you in the next one.